Hello, and welcome to Lydia Hawk Designs. Today I'm going to go over the Singer Touch Sew Deluxe Zig-Zag Model 628 and similar models, the levers for left, center, right, and the stitch width. So as you can see, these levers control the position of the needle, and the stitch width is down here. If you're in the center, you always want to be on one, but if you do want to use the zigzag feature, you have to choose your stitch length and then you have to reposition your needle. Let's start at one center. So as you can see, this is the lever for the stitch position. I'm going to first start by changing the stitch width. So that's 5. And that moves this lever with this plastic piece on it. Now I'm going to switch to left on the needle position. So that's left, and that's right. When I first got this machine, this plastic piece, a spring, this spring here, and another piece were laying in the bottom of the top of the machine. So this is where they ultimately went in order to make the lever here work. And as you can see, it moves the needle, and you can see it from here too, actually. This is the stitch width lever. You can see it moving that pole. So it goes from here, it moves this, which ultimately moves the needle. I hope that helps.